to another episode of Alexn is bored, aka 4th of July is bored. Oh my god, that was a terrible joke. Whoa. Whoa! Green flares! Purple! Orange! Blue or white? Holy crap! Whoa! 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 Oh my god! Boom! Awesome! Boom! Boom! Right. Boom! I wonder where they're coming from.
Oh, because they get launched, then knock it up, and then they have a fuse, and then they light. They go out to the street. Yeah, you can see this.
What's next? Oh, crap. Oh my god. 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 Fireworks look so cool. Oh crap. Oh my god! 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 That should be a song. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is amazing. I think I might cry. Double rainbow. Oh my god. There's a double rainbow through the sky. What's next? Oh! No! Oh! Oh! Whoa! This is amazing. I think I might cry. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! The people. What's that? Is it like a... Oh! Like a face of some sort? Hallelujah! it. We the people. Get ready to fight. Oh, boom. Oh. Well. Oh my god. Is that it? Yep, that's it. That's it. That's it. Woo!